When the clock strikes midnight, a new law regulating the sale of certain hemp products in Alabama will go into effect. Now, business owners like Jennifer Boozer are rushing to close their stores for good.
I've been in downtown Mobile for almost 6.5 years. So my 7th anniversary is in August, and we will not make it.
It's a moment 4 hemp product companies attempted to prevent by filing a lawsuit against Governor Kay Ivey and Alabama Attorney General Steve Marshall, and asking a judge to issue a temporary restraining order. But the judge denied the request, ruling that the new law does not impede or prohibit interstate shipping of hemp products.
I don't even understand what happened today, honestly. We're still trying to figure that out. It's been the most confusing and frustrating process because even though we've got a ruling, we still don't understand what it means. And it just looks like we're left with nothing. And our customers are left with nothing.
The law prohibits the sale of smokable hemp products and regulates the sale of consumable hemp products. And in order to sell consumable items, businesses will have to secure a license, which won't be made available until January. Boozer says she was holding out hope that the temporary restraining order would be granted so she could figure out what products she is allowed to sell.
My business, probably 80 to 90%. I mean, some of my colleagues' businesses, 80% of their inventory is flour. You know, that's literally most of what they were selling. So it's going to leave us with nothing to sustain our businesses. You can't lose 25, 50, 80% of your business and hope to survive that. Not in this economy, you can't. I mean, eventually, if I wanted to start all over, but right now I'm out of a job. And I have to figure out what I'm going to do with my future, you know, to be able to provide for myself, my family, my children. You know, I don't know.
The law, Boozer says, is not only hurting businesses, but Alabamians too.
For the people who voted for this bill, you have no concept of how much suffering, and I'm not talking about businesses that are suffering. I'm talking about the people of Alabama, the voters of Alabama, and I would like to ask the citizens of Alabama to remember who voted for this next year in the elections. Remember who voted for this.